Good morning, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and today we're going to make a rock art cat. And I've got my rock here and I painted it black. You can paint it any color you like. I use acrylic paint for that. It just takes a while to dry, so I decided to do it before starting the video. Now we're going to be using polymer clay. This is Sculpey 3 brand. And I work in the color black because I like the way the finishes look on it. And I basically want the cat to be basically a black cat, and that's why I painted the rock black. So first you want to condition your clay by kneading it. Do that for a while until the clay is soft. That also mixes up the ingredients in the clay and makes it easier to sculpt and bake. Okay, and then now if this rock sits level on the table, but if yours doesn't, what you can do is take a little bit of clay like this, roll it into a ball, get a piece of paper so it won't stick to the table. Put the ball on the bottom of the rock like this, like that. Sit it on the table and press it into place. Now, real quick, if you're not going to paint your rock and you just want it to look natural, you should seal it with acrylic or polyurethane or varnish or something like that so that it receives the clay a little bit better. And my experience is, since I use the Sculpey 3 brand of clay, for this particular application, putting it on stone, it works really well. The Sculpey 3 works really well. Some other polymer clays may not work so well, so just keep that in mind. It just sticks to the stones and things that I stick it to better. So then, once it's on there, you press down on the stone and it makes it level, keeps it level. The next part is going to be the nose of the cat, and what we need is to start off with is a little ball, and just roll it in between the palms of my hands and put it on the center of the rock in the front like this. Now in the video description down below the video, I'll put the name of the type of acrylic I would use if I wasn't painting the rock. Also put the paint and everything in the tool and supply list. If you have trouble finding nice round or oval rocks like this, I'll put a source for a place where you can buy rocks online as well in the video description and the tool and supply list. So there we have the nose. Now we're going to roll 2 balls the same size for the part where the whiskers would go. Called the whisker area is what I call it. So I have one there. Roll another and make them the same size. Make sure that's the same size as that one. It's about right. Okay. Then put one just to the right of the nose like that. And just press them into place. Like that. And then you can take another small piece, and this will be for the lower jaw of the cat. Roll it into just a little bit of a cone shape like that, and put it on for the lower jaw. so it's like that. Now if you didn't seal the stone or paint the stone, it would not stick so well. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And now we're going to make the ears. In this particular design, I don't make eyes. I like it this way, but you could make eyes if you wanted to. So we want 2 balls the same size for the ears. That one needs to be bigger. And roll them until they're nice and smooth, so there's no fissures or imperfections on it. And then what you can do is squeeze it like this between your fingers to make it like a triangle shape, which is the shape of the ear. And just put them on. Make it the same as the other one. And there we go. And then what I like to do, which is really pretty, is I use Acrylic pigments, and you can do this in any color. You know, they have many different colors. This is violet. They have different blue colors. They have green. You know, so they have all kinds of different colors. But I like the antique bronze Acrylic pigments. And I have that in the lid over here, like this, and just pick it up. Dip your finger in the bronze, swirl it with the finger to kind of subdue it with your thumb, and just apply it. And I'm applying it to the clay only. If you apply with a finger, it works better. It just looks a lot better. And then if you get some on the stone, you can just wipe it off. And that's how you make a rock art cat. Now, for baking, there's in the video description down below the video, there'll be baking instructions where you can look at it and see how to bake it. Don't worry about the rock. In this application, the heat of the oven and the temperature and time is not hot enough to hurt the stone, so you don't have to worry about that. And there you go. That's how you make a rock art cat. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. I do many videos along these lines. And give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it. Leave me a comment. Share it with your friends. Share the video with your friends. And Thank you so much for watching. Be creative, have fun in your life, and have a great day. Thank you.